Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm back after a very long time with a makeup tutorial, and this is a look that I'm gonna show you today, and this is my Ugadi look for this year. So today's look is a long lasting summer friendly look. This look you can wear it for any of your festive or wedding guest looks. So let's get into the video without any further delay. I've well prepped my skin with the moisturizer and sunscreen, and for my lips today I've used this Mega pH tinted lip oil. It's like a beautiful nourishing lightweight lip oil that adds that flush of pink tint to my lips, which I absolutely love. So that's about my skin prep. I feel that there are some excess hairs on my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna quickly remove it with a tweezer first. Now it looks good, right? So first, now let's start off with the makeup. So I'm gonna use this Rennie Bollywood Filter Primer. It's a good blurring primer that just mattifies my skin and preps my skin well for the makeup. And during this hot summer Chennai weather, it just makes my makeup last longer, which I absolutely love. Next, I'm using this Inside Cosmetics orange concealer. It's called the No Smudge Concealer, and this is so good, you guys. It is so extremely pigmented. Just covers my dark spots and hyperpigmentation well, and it is super affordable. So I'm just gonna use a tiny dot on my hyperpigmentation and acne marks and blend it well with the finger. Just for orange corrector, I always use a finger to blend because that gives a much better coverage. Next, I'm going to use a loose powder. So this is the verified filter loose powder. I absolutely love it. I'm just going to use the smallest to slightest quantity on all over my face to just set the orange color corrector so that it does not mix with the foundation. First, I'm just gonna go on with is Mars God's Illuminator, because today I'm not gonna use any highlighter for a good daytime summer look. So I'm just gonna use this illuminator only on high points of my face to just highlight and blend it well with the foundation brush. I really like how this product just provides a beautiful glow to my face without enhancing my skin texture. Can you see that glow? So I really like it, and if you're looking for any good illuminator for your skin, and if you're looking for any natural glow to your face, then you can definitely give this a try. So my face looks so glowy, right? No, now I'm gonna use a foundation, as it's like a full day kind of a look, festive look. I'm gonna use this MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm the shade NC45, so I'm gonna take the required amount of foundation on my hand and then blend it well with this foundation brush. So this foundation is so good, you guys. If you find a color match, this is gonna last forever, because a smallest dot of foundation is required for an application. So I've just taken this much, and this is gonna be so good for the entire face and neck. As you can see, it provides an almost full coverage. Can you see the difference? So that's how it is so good. So I'm just gonna blend in the other side as well. Also, don't forget to just blend in the foundation on your neck and ears as well to match your entire skin tone. So now the entire skin looks so even and good, right? Can you see even so much is left? With just such amount of foundation, we have covered the entire face, neck and ears. So that's how good it is. I'm just gonna use it the remaining on the areas I have dark spots. This is such a beautiful foundation, guys. If you think that it's so expensive for you, like how I do, you can definitely try out their mini version. It's like just a 15 ml, but it is lasting so longer because you need the teeny tiny drop to just cover up your entire face. And now to highlight my facial features, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. So since that NC45 was too yellow, I'm just going to use a neutral shade concealer to just neutralize the undertone of my skin. I'm going to use the same foundation brush to blend in well. If you do not want to go for a very full coverage, look for this festive season and you want just a minimal good coverage. You can just conceal if you have any hyperpigmentation or dark spots, if any, with the exact same tone concealer, or just use any skin tint to give that even skin tone look without heavy full coverage. If you wish to use any liquid blush so your makeup lasts longer and it looks so much better, you can definitely use it today. This is the new makeup brand that I'm gonna try. I've not yet tried any of their products. So this is the Kia Cosmetics. This is their lip and cheek tint. So I'm just gonna use it as my liquid blush today. So let's see how it blends. So I'm just gonna blend it with the same foundation brush. Ooh, this is so good, guys. The pigmentation is at the right amount for a blush. I would say it's not too pigmented or less pigmented. It's so good and somewhere between, and it gives a beautiful matte finish. This is in the shade Strawberry Cupcake, and I really like this cute packaging on right with this. So I'll just let me know if you want me to try all of the products, because they have sent me most of the products from the brand. So let me know if you want me to make a separate video on Kia Cosmetics makeup review. So now I'm just gonna set my entire base makeup with a loose powder. I'm just again using this verified loose powder. I really like it, guys. I'm like so obsessed with it because it provides that blurry finish and it keeps the skin matte and fresh for a longer time, and that's why I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna take the brush and set my entire makeup with this beautiful loose powder. Can you see it just instantly blurs my skin, and I really like the finish of this powder, guys. It is super finely milled, keeps my makeup last longer and fresher. So this side I've set my makeup with powder and this side I have not set it. Can you see the difference? That's so good, you right? So I'm just gonna set the other side as well. So the base makeup is done. I really like how it turned out, quite good. So now let's move on to eyebrows, and for that I'm using this Mars Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. It's such an affordable pencil. It has the right amount of pigmentation, but be careful, guys. Don't just draw a line and it will just become so pigmented and it won't look natural. So I'm just gonna draw short strokes in the direction of that hair growth as well, so that the eyebrows would look groomed and so natural. Now don't forget to comb your eyebrows with a spoolie at the end to just erase off the harsh lines. So as you can see, the eyebrows looks natural, groomed and so good, right? Let me know if you want me to share separate videos and detailed tutorial on how to groom your eyebrows, how to do your base makeup, and yeah, everything, how to do your eyeshadows very easily. You can do it. It's so good. Even I'm a beginner. I'm learning right now, and you can also learn along with me. So you can let me know about it. So my eyebrows is done. It's looking good. Now I'm gonna move on to eyeshadows, and for that I'm using this Patricia Brights palette. This is one of the palette that I've not used for a long time, so I thought of okay, let's use it today. So I'm even not sure what eye look I'm gonna make. So let's see what's going on. So first I'm gonna take this light pink, baby pink kind of a shade and use it above my crease, tap off the excess and then just blend it over the crease. Next I'm gonna use this flat brush and dip it in this beautiful parrot green kind of a shade. It's called the green juice. Not much, very slightly. Tap off the excess and I'm just gonna fill it in the first half of my eyes. I'm gonna slowly build the pigment until the shade I want. If you're gonna wear any such combinations, you can just pair it up with that particular combination. You can change the shades and then you can do this eye look. It's so simple, easy. You do not need to cut that crease. It's just gonna be that soft look. And if you want to keep it matte as such, you can just keep it at matte. And if you want to add some shimmer or glitter to it, you can definitely do that. So you can leave as such and go on with your kajal or eyeliner. But now I'm just going to take this beautiful green shimmer which is called the No Exit, and I'm just gonna top it on the green eyeshadow itself. So I'm just gonna build it more on the inner and go with a softer shimmer look on the outer corner, so it's gonna look better and good. So this is how this looks like. Now I'm just gonna use the same light pink shade on my lower lid as well, and with the pencil brush I'm just gonna slightly apply and blend it quite well on my lower lid. Now I'm gonna take Mama Earth Kajal. It's their long stay Kajal. I really like this Kajal a lot. So I'm just gonna tight line my upper and lower waterline with this Kajal. Next for eyeliner, I'm using this e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner, guys. This felt tip is so good. It's so thin, it's precise, and it's so good to draw a fine thin eyeliner, and it is so good. So I'm just gonna draw a thin wing eyeliner. I'm not that quite good in drawing an eyeliner while talking, guys. So I'll just draw this and I'll be right back. So that's about the eyeliner, guys. Now let's move on to mascara. But before moving on to mascara, I'm just gonna curl my lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, so that my eyes opens and looks much good. For mascara, I'm using this Parulgar Beauty. It's called their high volume mascara. I really like it, guys. It makes my lashes look so volume and good without any falsies. I don't ever feel like wearing a falsies after trying out this one. Can you see the mascara, guys? You see difference? I really like it. It's just one coat of mascara and it's so good. It's so volume. My eyes are open and it looks so beautiful. So that's it for the eye look. I'll just complete the other eye and be right back. So my eye makeup is done. It looks so good, right? Now let's move on to the blush. So for blush, I'm going to use this Simply Numb Radiant Blush. So there are two shades, which is one shimmer and one matte. As I've already used an illuminator, I'm just going to move on with this beautiful baby pink shimmer blush. So I'm not going to use a highlighter today, right? So I'm going to use this subtle shimmer blush. So this is a very light baby pink kind of a shade. So I'm just going to use it as a blush today. As you can see, it's a very mild, subtle pigmented blush that gives a beautiful glow to my skin. That's it for the blush. It looks quite good. Yeah, now at last, my favorite part, lips. But before that, let me just remove off this lip oil. As we have a glitter eye look, I'm just gonna go on with a matte lip look. So I'm gonna use this Fay Beauty lip whip. That looks so good. It's in the shade Cherry. This looks like a perfect color and match to my outfit as well as my makeup today. So this is the shade Cherry. I absolutely love this shade. It's like so good and looks good on almost all skin tones. So that's it for today's look. Something is missing, right? So I'm going to use this beautiful white shimmer shade here in the same palette and highlight my eyebrows. That looks subtle, but it is well highlighted. Now it turned out quite well. And I'm going to do the same very slightly on my inner corner of my eye. So that's it for the completed look, guys. I really like how my eye look and my makeup look turned out today. So I'm just gonna complete the entire look with the hairstyling and wearing the jewelries, and I'll be right back. This is the completed look, guys. I really love how my look turned out today. My outfit, jewelries and makeup all look super good for me, but my mom told me you need to apply more shimmers for your eye look and more makeup for your base. It looks so subtle, but I don't think so. It looks just perfect for me. Do let me know if my opinion is correct or my mom's opinion is correct. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, I will all leave the product names and the links in the description box below, guys. You can definitely check them out. Yeah, art. So if you like this look and if you want me to share more such tutorials, do like this video and comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stylefit for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content. Also, if you like to watch such detailed reviews, makeup tutorials and fashion hauls, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So that's it for today's video, guys. Until next time, bye.